Hi, everybody. So, all right, I'm Adam Rossen with the Rossen Law Firm. We're based right here out of South Florida. We are the largest criminal defense firm in Broward County and hopefully pretty soon taking over the state and the world. And I'm going to talk to you about our summer internship program and how we use it for community marketing and nationwide marketing. So this is us, this is our team, okay? We help other people when bad things happen. This is a little bit about me. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, you can hit that QR code right there. Anybody, I'll leave it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't everybody check out your phone all at once.
They all already.
All right, awesome. I'm trying. One of my goals for this year is to get better on LinkedIn and to really take you to the next level next year. But I'm going to talk about our internship. So like most of you, when you start your law firm and people know you're a lawyer, they're just going to organically say, hey, wait a minute, I know so-and-so who knows so-and-so, can they intern with you? Okay. And so for me, I started my firm in 2008, and from 08 to 17, that was it, version 1.0. We take one intern at a time, maybe two, and it was just the come hang out version. And that also stayed in version 2.0 in 2018 and 2019, except we would maybe have 2 or 3 interns at a time. Can I get a raise of hand of anybody who's had an intern before, and it was like this, just come hang out. No structure, no thought. And for anybody here, I only have a few minutes, but I could talk to you guys at outdoors about ways to structure this that doesn't have to be so formalized into what we have now. One of the best 2 great graduates of this time of the internship in the firm's history. Number 1 is Manny, who's here right now. So I've known Manny for 20 years. He's the managing partner of the firm. He was one of our interns, maybe intern number 2 or 3. And my wife. My wife was an intern, and now she's my wife. So that also is pretty, yeah. So this, we did have to shut down the program for about a year or 2, but good news, she's still the only intern that I've ever been into. So that's great. Okay? Yes, and she's a prosecutor in Palm Beach, and she locks them up and I get them out. Okay, so version 3.0, during COVID, we had a major shift. Everybody lost their summer plans in 2020. So I said, learning from people like Charlie and Ben, I said, well, if we are the community and relationship builders that we say we are and that we want to be, that it's our moral and ethical responsibility to take everybody on as an intern. We had 13 during COVID, but look what we did. We came up with special projects. We did a whole project on the George Floyd murder case with Derek Chauvin. In 21, we did the Bill Cosby case. And we turned them into SEO and content writers. We got 30,000 words on our website that summer. It was a fantastic experience, and it got me thinking, what can we do to make this better, more professional, and just take it to the next level? So for the next 3 years, we went into version 4.0, 22, 23, and last year in 24. We have a formal curriculum. We have speakers from across the country, okay, in all aspects of the law. We did on-campus interviews. It was Manny's idea. Manny said, I want to go back to my local law school and I want to participate in on-campus interviews from the employer side. I said, fantastic, let's do it. We did. I think that was so special. We have a formal application process now. Last summer, we book clubbed a book on criminal justice that's written by a federal judge. So we have a formal curriculum. It is detailed and organized. It didn't happen day one. It took from 2008 until 2022 to get here. And I had some amazing people on my team that helped build this. It's during these years, and then last year I took it back over because I'm not in production or cases anymore. And I said, well, look, I really want to be involved. This is my baby, okay? And so this is how it's evolved. Now, we now have this summer, the next step, version 5.0. And so that's Christian. I want to just tell a little quick story about Christian. He won the very first ever Sarah Hovanich Intern of the Summer Award. We made it competitive. So we put our interns, competing against each other. He's a University of Georgia law student, and he moved down here to live with his grandparents last summer for an unpaid internship. That's how bad he wanted it. And it's the same as what we did before, but instead of just criminal law and law in general, we're truly niching down into criminal defense. So a part of the plan now is we're partnering with criminal justice orgs like the Innocence Project and other local ones to get backlinks that cannot be duplicated by any SEO company across the country. Okay, no other criminal lawyers can get these backlinks, and we're partnering with them. We're writing press releases with them. I'm going to have them on my podcast. We're working with them intimately where they're going to speak to our kids, and it's all about criminal justice and criminal defense to elevate the internship, elevate our law firm, the marketing, elevate me, my brand, and the firm's brand. So that's the next level. And honestly, it was just me thinking over Thanksgiving break about ways I can make this better. Now, I'm just gonna play a small portion. We made about a 4-minute video as far as attracting candidates, and I'll just play a little bit. Let's see if it actually plays. There we go. Ooh, do we got volume?
It's really impactful to see how what we do helps them to move forward in their lives and to go back to their regular lives. Truly how the work that goes on here impacts people and their lives, and just the change that even I as an intern can make in their lives.
Welcome to the Rossen Law Firm Summer Internship Program. It's structured. We have a curriculum. We have guest speakers from all across the United States and international. And I really wanted to be able to show the impact that the Rossen Law Firm that we have on our community and our clients through criminal defense and criminal justice.
Being an RLF intern gave me the opportunity to meet not only...
Okay, so it's 4 minutes. If you want to see it, I can show it to you. But we don't have that much time. But making this a few months ago for this year's recruitment has helped tremendously. And now I've been thinking, because we take 10 to 12 interns every summer. We have a high school track and a college and law student track. But how many people can afford to come down here for an unpaid internship? And let me tell you, this summer we have 2 students, one from Penn State Law and one from Duke Law, who are coming down here for an unpaid internship, and we're putting them together so they can room together and all that. So the next thing we're going to be launching next year is an official mentorship program, because as I've been speaking with the criminal justice orgs, they wanted something that I think that they can really attach a little bit more to than just having people from elite colleges and universities. And so this is more of a, and not traditional. You don't have to be in school to do this. It could be somebody who got out of prison, who spends a semester with us, a few months in the fall or the spring. And I wanted this completely separate from the summer. And maybe they don't want to go to law school, but maybe they want to be a paralegal, or they want to be work at the clerk of the court, or the public defender's office, or the prosecutor. Well, maybe probably if they went to prison, they can't work for prosecutor's office. But we're figuring that out. So this is a new thing that we're doing, and it could be something where we end up getting an amazing future employee from this. So this is the next part, and really all it is just thinking, having time as the visionary to stop and think about what you want to do and what you can do, and to iterate this. So if anybody wants to do anything like this, whether you are small, like I was from 2008 to 2019, or whether you're bigger, it can be whatever you want. And I can tell you from this year's round of interviews, we accept less than 5% of all applicants. We've had between 250 and 300 applicants already. The one thing that we've heard over and over and over again is the candidates have all told us, we love the structure. We love that it's not just come and hang out. Okay, so I'm here all day. If you want to talk, thank you guys very much. And here's another way of keeping in touch. I don't know if that goes directly to LinkedIn. That goes somewhere. All right.